What's up, my good people? As usual, this is Nyabuga 55, and as usual, it's story time. So ensure you stick to the end so that you can enjoy the story that is going to be told today by this young man that is in front of you. So here is a very hilarious story about a blonde. Don't know whether you call them blonde woman. So a plane headed for Toronto and a pilot who speaks blonde. So this one will make your day. So a plane is flying towards Toronto, fully booked like usual. Passengers are settling into their seats, seatbelts clicking, engines humming. Everything is normal until a blonde woman sitting in economy class suddenly gets up, walks confidently to the first class section, and sits herself down like she owns the place. The flight attendant notices this immediately. She walks over with a polite smile and says, "Excuse me, ma'am, may I see your ticket?" The blonde hands it over and the flight attendant checks it. Sure enough, it's an economy ticket. So the flight attendant says gently, "Ma'am, I'm sorry, but you paid for economy class. You'll have to return to your seat." The blonde folds her arms, lifts her chin, and replies, "I am blonde. I'm beautiful. I'm going to Toronto. And I'm staying right here." The flight attendant is shocked. She tries reasoning with her, but the blonde refuses to move. So the flight attendant goes to the cockpit and tells the pilot and the co-pilot, "We have a blonde passenger sitting in first class. She belongs in economy, but she refuses to move." The co-pilot sighs and says, "Don't worry, I'll handle it." He walks to first class, kneels beside the blonde, and explains politely, "Ma'am, you only paid for an economy seat. You cannot sit here." And again, the blonde gives the same line. "I am blonde. I am beautiful. I am going to Toronto. And I am staying right here." He tries again. She still refuses. At this point, the co-pilot returns to the cockpit frustrated. He tells the pilot, "We might need police waiting at the gate. She won't move. She is impossible." The pilot asks, "Did you say she is blonde?" "Yes." The pilot smiles. "Relax, I've got this. I am married to a blonde. I speak blonde." He gets up, walks confidently to the blonde woman, sitting stubbornly in first class. He leans down, gently whispers something in her ear, and instantly her eyes widen. She gasps, says, "Oh, I'm so sorry." Then she stands up, picks her things, and walks back to economy without a single argument. The flight attendant and co-pilot nearly faint. How did he do that? When the pilot returns to the cockpit, they ask him, "What on earth did you say to her? What made her move so quickly?" The pilot grins and says, "Simple. I told her first class isn't going to Toronto." And that's the end of my story. So if you love the story, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, and also like so that the video can be shown to as many people as possible. Peace.